How I can start earning more than $30 in the day. How I can start earning right now. Today I will show you how you can start earning right now from the HiveMicro. Today I will explain step by step how you can sign up and doing tasks to get more than $30 in the day. Hello everyone, today I will show you this website that give you paid for task. What you need to do, how you can work, how you can get money and where you can get money. I will explain that all of that in HiveMicro. So we're going to explain step by step, and they will give you the idea how that's going to work. So I will leave the description of the website under the video, and I will show you how you can start doing easy task to get money. So here you can find the HiveMicro, and the website is going to find simple task and really money. You can make extra money to job. You can do anywhere, anytime from any device. So that you not need the laptop. You can do only from the phone or tablet or anything you do. So all what you need, you need to sign up and apply for the job, complete the task, and then get paid. So how you can do it? What the task I can do? So the task is going to be so easy. You can draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, or track the same objects across frame in a video. So there is not very hard task here. It's only simple, and all what you need to sign up first. So I will show you how you can sign up. So the first, when you click in the sign up, you can find here full name, email address, password, and country and language. And how did you hear about this website? When did you found it? Like YouTube, search engine, order, for example. I will put here the SAS.net. And then I will agree from the term of service and privacy policy. So I can read all the term of service and privacy policy, and I am not robot, and you're going to click submit. Or you're going to do it with another way connected with the Facebook. So all what you need to do after you sign up, you're going to click here in the HiveMicro, and then you can click login. I already have an account, so I need to sign up right now and doing sign in. And of course you need to agree for this, and then you sign in. After you sign in, you're going to find the task like this. Of course you need to verification your email, and then you're going to find a lot of tasks here. So how you can earn the money from the task, and how you can start doing the task, and how to know if this task is easy for you or not. So before to start doing task, what you're going to say, here payroll, and here the board to see, for example, today Jova have more than $20 of the earning from 2,000 tasks, and Rick James also gets more than $20 for 2,000 also tasks. So did it just last day. So if you found the last week, you can get more than $59 in just the week. So that's really easy. You can start doing some tasks to get money from the PayPal. So how it's going to work? I will to click in the job here, and then you're going to find future job, or just my job, or beginner friendly. For example, this only simple, for example, 1,000 tasks, you can get $10. And here, for example, if you filter of all, you're going to say all the tasks here. So to start doing task, you need to filter the task, and then you can find the best task for you, and then you can take the qualification test. For example, I found here 20 tasks for $1. I'm going to take this qualification test for here, and if I am winning in this test, I can start doing task. So it's easy. You can get much more money, and if you want more advice, you should go to visit the SAS. I will give you the link in description about this article, how to make an extra $10 a day with HiveMicro. So you're going to find a lot of things about this article. It's going to help you how you can get more with HiveMicro. So thank you for watching. I will show you in another video how you can get more money, and see you later.